Hi everyone, I'm Bernie. I'm a technician here at InterMarine. I'll be going over the reversal flush system today. It's been installed in 12.5. Down here is the main unit installed down in the bilge. Over here is the auxiliary panel for the reversal system. So the system comes with a quick connect hose fitting. You connect it to your regular garden hose. You're going to come right over here, slide it in and twist. You're going to have an assistant turn on the water for you down there. Once you have the garden hose connected, you have two options. If you press the button to start one time, it will flush each engine for 15 minutes. It'll go down the line one at a time. Once it's done with one engine, it will shut off, move to the next engine. If you hit the button twice, it'll flush each engine for 7.5 minutes. So go ahead and turn it on, hit it twice. Once the system goes down all three engines, it'll automatically shut itself off. So as you can see here, the system is flushing out the first engine. And like I said before, once it's finished with this one, it'll move down the line to either the second or third or fourth or fifth engine, whichever one you have. And then it'll shut itself off. So this system can be installed in either Mercury or Yamaha. If you have any questions or would like it installed in any of your vessels, you can contact InterMarine Service Department and we'll take care of you.